Hello, Ankylosing Spondylitis. There is no medicine for ankylosing spondylitis. This is the basic concept. But homeopathy will give you the ray of hope. It has two purposes. First purpose is to cover the symptoms of the patient. And the second most important purpose, not to recur again. This will happen by going to the root of the disease. It is seen that past emotional stress plays important role in the disease. Treatment period is approximately 3 months to 12 months. Always prefer homeopathic medicines to lead happy and healthy life. If you affected with the ankylosing spondylitis, it will carry for whole life. This is the basic concept. But homeopathy has succeeded to remove this concept. Thank you.